Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis. Today, we have a motherboard that's been making waves in the tech world, the Asrock B760M Pro RS Intel motherboard. In this video, we'll dive into all the details, features, and performance capabilities of this motherboard. Let's get started. The Asrock B760M Pro RS is designed to support 13th Gen and 12th Gen Intel Core processors. It boasts a 7+1+1 power phase and drive MOS for V-Core plus GT, ensuring stable power delivery. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's explore its key features. Here are the standout features of this motherboard. The Asrock B760M Pro RS supports DDR5 RAM running at an impressive 7200 MHz. This means faster data transfer and enhanced overall performance. It offers one PCIe 5.0x16 slot, one PCIe 3.0x16 slot, and an M.2 key E for Wi-Fi, providing versatile options for adding expansion cards and connectivity. With HDMI and DisplayPort options, you can connect multiple monitors for an immersive visual experience. Equipped with Realtek ALC 897 7.1 CHHD audio codec and Nahimic audio, you can expect a crisp and rich audio experience whether you're gaming or watching movies. The motherboard offers 4 SATA 3 ports and 3 Hyper M.2 slots for ample storage options. It provides 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C ports, 5 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and 6 USB 2.0 ports for connecting various peripherals. With 2.5 gigabits per second LAN, this motherboard ensures high-speed and reliable networking performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Asrock B760M Pro RS is a powerhouse, capable of handling demanding tasks and gaming without breaking a sweat. The 7+1+1 power phase design and Dr. MOS technology ensure stable power delivery, which is essential for overclocking and pushing your system to the limits. The Asrock B760M Pro RS is available at an attractive price point. In conclusion, the Asrock B760M Pro RS Intel motherboard is a solid choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for performance, versatility, and value for money. With its DDR5 support, PCIe slots, and impressive audio capabilities, it's a motherboard that can take your PC experience to the next level. That wraps up our review of the Asrock B760M Pro RS Intel motherboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this motherboard, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.